Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Slack app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on notifications here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you come here to notify me on mobile active. Just click on it here. Then here you select if you always, even when I'm active or as soon I'm inactive, or here select time. Then you click here on save. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.